Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming your iPhone and carrier support both 5G and LTE because carriers control available bands. Once done, back up your device so you can restore settings if needed. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, and focus on cellular data options. You're doing this because toggling network modes is safer inside the OS than toggling antenna hardware. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular service is active. That prepares the phone to change preferred network types. Now continue by tapping cellular data options, then voice and data. You'll see 5G on, 5G auto, and LTE or 4G. Choose LTE or 4G to prefer the older network. You're doing this because LTE offers broader compatibility and may reduce battery use in areas where 5G is marginal. Once selected, the phone will attempt to register on the 4G network. If 5G options remain enforced, make sure your carrier profile or a carrier update isn't locking the setting. Proceed to the next step to resolve that. To complete the process, restart your iPhone so the SIM and radio clear cached network preferences. This forces a fresh 4G registration. Once it boots, confirm LTE/4G appears in the status bar and test data. If the phone still forces 5G, install any carrier update via settings right arrow general right arrow about, or remove and reinsert the SIM to reset provisioning. Key troubleshooting tip: if all else fails, contact your carrier. Some profiles can remotely re-enable 5G.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.